this isn't awkward. Why? Anyway, yeah, okay. I got it. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different, I'm sure you can tell. I just kind of wanted to change up the background a little bit. Hopefully you guys like it. But also, I got my Ipsy bag the other day and I was pleasantly surprised. So I was thinking I kind of wanted to unbox, go through that, and also I went shopping and I got at a couple different stores and got a few different things. So I also wanted to share that. Make sure to like this video if you want to see more like this, and subscribe and hit the bell notifications so that you will be notified whenever I post. I post twice a week. And so let's go ahead and get into the Ipsy bag first. The first thing that I'm going to go through is the mascara that I got. I always do check beforehand. They get an email and you can see if you want to see the items that you're getting, and I always do that because I can't wait. Oh, also another thing before I get into Ipsy, I feel the Ipsy bag, I feel like a lot of people know about Ipsy, but it is a subscription service. It's $10 a month and you can quit it whenever you want, and you get 5 beauty samples, which I love makeup, so I have been getting Ipsy since I think February 2017, so about a year and a half. That was a little rambly, but we're going to get into the mascara first because I do not like not wearing mascara, and then I feel like I can move on. First, I'm gonna curl my lashes. I usually curl my lashes because I like my lashes to be as big as possible and look as good as possible. Eyelashes and eyebrows are two very important things to me. I think that they can make or break your look. Just that's me personally. Whenever my eyebrows are done and my eyelashes look good, I just feel a lot more confident. So this is the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. So the name is good. And the tube looks like this. It's very pretty, like that. The wand, ooh, that was nice to hear that. The wand is a rubber wand. Please be able to see that. So it looks like it's gonna be kind of a wet formula, which I kind of like. I like my lashes to look as big and full as possible. This is in the shade Rich Black. Hopefully it's good. Let's see how it works. Yeah, that's the word I'm looking for. I'll probably do a couple coats of this because I never really do one coat of mascara. So initially, not super impressed. I realize that this is a sample, and you know, the full-size wand would be bigger and probably easier to work with. But I really like the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, so I like mascara. I'm not opposed to trying new mascara, but since that one is so good, it's kind of my standard. And most mascaras do not hold up to that. I don't know about this one. Like, I'm trying to get them to be more voluminous and it's just not working. Which, that wasn't in the name, to be fair, but I like my lashes to be as long and full as possible, and I don't know if this mascara will be the one to do that. Ooh. Initial thoughts on the mascara, it's not bad, but like I said, I do compare that to my It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara just because I love that one so much. It did a pretty good job lengthening it. The name is Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara, so if you're maybe like more focused on lengthening and not so much the volume, maybe if that's what you like, you might kind of like it. But also, like I said, I know that this is a travel size or sample size or whatever, but to me it was kind of hard to get this look. I will get closer so you can see it. Maybe it was the wand as well. The It Cosmetics Superhero one does not have a rubber wand, but this one is. So maybe it's just preference, but to me it was kind of too hard to build it up. But I will get closer so you can see it. So honestly, I don't know, I was looking at it and it does kind of do a good job. I will still for sure use this because the It Cosmetics Superhero one is $24, I believe. And this I already have in my Ipsy bag, so I will definitely use it up. I'm not gonna waste it, but that's just my thoughts on the mascara. So next, just because these do not fit in the bag, I did get 2 sheet masks. They look like this. They're by the brand Juice Up, I believe. And that's just another thing that I thought was really impressive with this bag, is it came with 2 sheet masks as well. I will do like a recap of everything that I got in the bag. I'm a really big fan of sheet masks. I like taking care of my skin, and I like especially the ones where you just put on your face for 10 or 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and you just and then you take it off afterwards. You don't have to rinse it off. I do use the other masks as well, but to me, I don't know, I'm kind of a little bit of a lazy person. Like I like taking care of my skin, but if I'm gonna do a mask, I am all about the one that you just have to put on there and then just take it off whenever you're done. Like the charcoal ones and that kind of thing where you have to wash it off afterwards. Extra step. I do still use those, but I'm lazy. I'm just being honest. So I got 2, like I mentioned. One is the Juice Up Kale Mask, and then the other one is the Juice Up Blackberry Mask. Most of this is not in English on the back. The black one looks like it's for maintaining vibrant skin, and the kale one looks like it's for reducing redness, which I guess would make sense. Green counteracting the redness. I don't know if I'm thinking about that correctly. But anyway, I'm excited to use these both, so I'm a big fan of that. Moving on, like I said, I did get this the other day, but not only do I check to see what I'm getting in my Ipsy bag, pretty much as soon as I see that I get an Ipsy bag, I go ahead and open it up and like sample the products a little bit. I did not sample the mascara. That was my initial reaction, thoughts, that kind of thing. But 2 of the products I did kind of go ahead and try because I can't help myself. It's whatever. But I did put them back in the packaging to pretend like I didn't do that. So next up, I got the Glow 2 Highlighter by Ciate London. I have tried, I think, some other things by this brand just through Ipsy. I've never bought anything from the brand, but let's see if it has a shade. Oh, yeah, it's on the back. It is in the shade Moon Dust, and it looks like this. It just comes in this little plastic container. And I did use this already, and it is very, very pretty. So I'm just gonna do a little swatch. Like this, so pretty. Yes. Do you see that? This is like a lighter, whatever, and then this is just the initial one, but pretty. So you can use that as a highlighter, that's the word. But also I think that this would be a really good eyeshadow. I love shimmery eyeshadows like this as well. So I'm a big fan of that. So another success to the Ipsy bag. Next up, I got a lip product from the brand Luridity Cosmetics, and it is in the shade Plum. It's this lip crayon that looks like this. I did already use this last night, but I will go ahead and put it on so we can see how it looks. Hopefully it's not too overpowering with this eyeshadow look, but just, it's fine. Yes, it's so pretty. I'm all about this shade of lip color. I do have a few similar lip colors like this, but I'm okay with it. I like to have options. This is very smooth and creamy. It doesn't seem like it's gonna dry like a liquid lipstick, but I'm okay with that. I feel like Ipsy is finally listening to me because I set up my profile for sure, but then at the end of each month, you can also kind of review your products, and I usually do that sometimes. I think I've forgotten a few months, but if I don't like something or if I don't like that type of product, I include that. Like, I'm not gonna be like, oh yeah, I like it. Because I mean, I'm paying $10 a month, so I might as well get products that I like. I got an exfoliating cleanser by the brand Murad. Now this does say it's for age reform on the front, but it just being an exfoliating cleanser, I'll still give it a try. I'm only 24, so I don't really need to, the age reform aspect of it necessarily. but I will go ahead and give this a try. Like I mentioned, I'm also very excited about this because like I said, I like skincare products. Just a creamy, yeah, it's just a creamy cleanser consistency. And it doesn't feel like it's gonna be too, yeah. The exfoliating beads on it are really small, so I think it's gonna be gentle on the skin as well, which makes sense if it's for age reform. I feel like they wouldn't have something that'd be so abrasive. So I'm just gonna kind of recap everything I got. My 5 products, I got this Glow Highlighter by Ciate London. I got this Lip Color by Laritzi. I got this Exfoliating Cleanser by Murad. I got this mascara from Thrive Cosmetics, and then I got these 2 sheet masks. So, and also like you get 5 products a month, but they included these 2 sheet masks as one, so I kind of got 6. It just was just I'm so excited. Words are hard right now. So that was the 5 products that I got, and I like all of them. That is all of that I got from my Ipsy. And then this past week also I went to Target and I picked up a few things. I did not have anything. I went to Target just because I wanted to go to Target. I didn't have anything that I needed necessarily. First thing that I got was this, well, not necessarily first thing, but the first thing I'm gonna show you is I got this top coat from Sally Hansen. I have used this before. I really like it. I also got this L'Oreal Paris, why did I say that weird? Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. I have tried this before and I liked it, but to me it didn't seem to last very long, so I wanted to try it again because I was curious if like maybe that was just the one mascara that I got. Maybe the formula was a little dried out, so I wanted to give this another try because I think that this was only like $8 and the It Cosmetics one is, you know, $24. So if this one is gonna be like work really well, then I might, you know, switch it up. Like I'm not gonna always spend $24 on my mascara because that is a little expensive. It's worth it, but it is expensive. So, and then next I got this activated charcoal sheet mask. I kind of forgot that I was getting sheet masks in my Ipsy bag, but I like to have like a little stock of these, and honestly, like I'm a sucker for packaging and containers. Like it just, if it has cute packaging, I am 99% more likely to purchase it. So this is so pretty, like this gray and purple, and also it's activated charcoal, so it's a detoxifying facial mask. That's good for my skin. I do get buildup and acne still, so I kind of justify it that way as well. I have used this before and I did really like it. And I got those from Target. I believe I already mentioned that. And then another thing that I like about my sheet masks is I keep it in this little box right here. And like I just said, I love containers. I did not just buy this, but I did buy this a few months ago from Target. It's from the Hearth and Hand collection. I keep my sheet masks and then also my mini face masks that I get from Ipsy. And then I also have my Biore pore strips in there as well. I should probably use those more often. So this just is just satisfying to me. Like I love containers and this makes me happy. I will link this box down below as well. Like, wait, let me close it. It should, I mean, if this just makes one other person happy, like that'll make me happy that they understand me. I really like this box. Okay, moving on from talking about boxes. The next thing that I got, oh, my foot is falling asleep. I didn't bring it over here to show you, but I got The Greatest Showman and I'm so excited about that. That is one of my favorite movies that I've ever seen. Yeah, I'm trying to think about that. Yeah, that's accurate because it's the only movie that I've seen twice in theaters. I saw it once like on a Saturday or whatever, and then I saw it a few days later because it was that good. If you haven't seen it yet, I highly recommend. And then so I've seen it 3.5 times in 8 months, which is not bad. I could totally watch it again. But I was very excited for that find because whenever I'm at Target, I like to look at the movies as well because sometimes they have ones on sale. I don't like paying full price for movies, but I do like owning ones, especially if I really, really like them. So when I saw that, I couldn't put it down. I got that. That's all that I got. Well, no wait, I also bought a Kit Kat, but like clearly I don't have that to show you because I ate that when I got in the car. Also this past week I went to Ross, and while I was there I went ahead and looked at the clothes. I usually don't have much luck, like I haven't bought many clothing items from Ross, but I mean while I'm there I'm gonna go ahead and look, and I was very pleased with my finds there. I got a couple things for fall, and I am aware it is no way near close to fall. Like I'm not sure when summer officially ends, but it's still so hot, but like I could not say no whenever I saw these items. The first thing I got was this cute little off the shoulder burnt orange shirt. It's like off the shoulder, and I love this little like ruffle detail right here. This is a little bit shorter, so I want to get a pair of high-waisted jeans to wear with this. Like that'd just be real cute. Also, I only got 2 items from Ross, so like it's not a huge haul. But I've went ahead and wore both of these because when I get like real cute clothes, I ain't about to wait like 3 months or whatever to wear this when it's officially fall. Now I'm gonna wear this now. And then the next thing that I got was this long cardigan. It's like this maroon purpley color. This I for sure could not say no to. I love this color so much, and it is a little bit longer. And I wore it yesterday. I wore it with a completely navy dress, but also I was thinking like this with just like a simple black tank top and a pair of jeans. Cute outfit. Oh, and like a long necklace. Cute outfit. Yeah, so, and also it's very soft. I really like this, and it has kind of like this pattern here. These like ribbed thingies. I do a great job explaining items. I know, you don't have to tell me. But those are the only 2 items that I got from Ross. I know that this video is a little different from what I normally do, but hopefully you still enjoyed it. I really loved my Ipsy bag this month, and then those few items that I also bought. I enjoy watching hauls personally. So like I mentioned earlier, make sure you like this video and subscribe. I post twice a week, and I will see you in my next video.